Hi friends, we're going to go over our application problem for today. We are on our lesson 7 application problem, which is page 175 in our math workbooks. So we're going to read this problem very carefully and then we're going to get started solving it. So it says Danny has 2 dimes, 1 quarter, 3 nickels, and 5 pennies. First, we need to figure out what is the total value of Danny's coins. Now this word value is really important. And then we're going to show 2 different ways that Danny might add to find the total. Right, so what we're solving for is the value of Danny's coins, how much money he has all together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture to represent all of my coins that I have. Now, I know that Danny has 2 dimes, and I know that my dimes are worth 10 cents. So inside these coins, I'm going to write a 10. He has 1 quarter, which is worth 25 cents. He has 3 nickels. I know my nickels are worth 5 cents. 5, and he had, oh yeah, 3 nickels. I got it. And then 5 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, for me to figure out the total value of how much he has, I need to count to find the total amount, right? So what I can do is I can create a number sentence to match my picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out first, I'm going to write 10 plus 10 plus 25 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, and then 5 pennies. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now this is a super long number sentence, right? So this is one way I can find the total. Another way I can find the total is I can add up my coins by what coins they are. So I know these are my dimes. This is 1 quarter. We have 3 nickels, and then we have our 5 pennies. So what I can do is I can add them up first, right? So my 2 dimes together, 10 and 10 gives me 20. My quarter, 25. I have 3 nickels, so 5, 10, 15. And then I have my 5 pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which equals 5 cents. Okay, so these are 2 different ways that I can add to find the total amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this number sentence because it's a little bit easier for me to figure out. Okay, so first I know I can add to find, okay, 15 and 5, that's easy, that makes 20. So I'm adding 20 plus 25 plus 20. I know my 20 and my 20 gives me 40. Then 40 plus 25, right? Because I added 20 and 20, that gave me 40. Then I have to add that 25. So 5 in my 0 gives me 5 in the ones place. 4 tens and 2 tens gives me 6 tens, so 65 cents. So what I can do now is I can double check to make sure I got the correct answer by adding this up. So 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 25 gives me 45. 45 plus 5 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. 55 plus 5 is 65. Or I'm sorry, 60. So then 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So I have 65 cents all together. So the total value of Danny's coins, right? The total value of Danny's coins is 65 cents. So then 2 different ways that I can add to find the total is I can add each coin 1 by 1, or I can add up each type of coin first and then add to find the total, which is exactly what I did in my second part, right? I added the dimes first, I got 20, then I added the quarter, then I added the nickels, then I added the penny. So I could add them each up by coin, then I could add to find the total. So if you got 65 cents as your total, excellent job. You're all done. Great job.